Hello and welcome to another tutorial by Happy Cloud Solutions. Today we'll be looking at creating a Node.js project and we'll perform an automated test using Selenium and Mocha. So a little prerequisite that you should have is you have to have Node.js installed in your PC. You have to have the Selenium Chrome driver or like whatever browser you're using, whether it's a Gecko driver, whatever browser of choice, you have to have them installed on your system. You also have to have the details of the website that you would want to use for this test. So today, because I'll be using Google Chrome for this tutorial, um, I would need a Chrome driver to be installed on my PC. And I would like to have, the version that is, compatible with the Chrome that I have. And to know what version of Chrome you have, you can just go to your settings, about Chrome, and then you see the version that you have. So the version here is version 120. So I'll just go back here. The latest version here says 114. But then it says if you're using Chrome version 115 or newer, please consult here. So when I click on that, this is 120, so I'll click on stable. So what I'm looking for is basically Chrome driver Win64. It's gonna download as a zip file. You want to extract that and put it in a directory of your choice. So now after that is done, we'll go to Visual Studio Code and you want to know confirm that you have Node installed. And to do that, you can just do Node-V and it gives you the version of Node that you're running. So first, to create our Node project, we run npm init and we'll just wait for that to load. Come on, laptop. So yes, so it's asking you the package name, version. You can give it a description if you want. I'm just gonna keep on pressing enter. And yes, and then it's created. As you can see here now, it's created a package.json file based on the Node project that I just created. So now the next thing that I want to do is to install Selenium Webdriver. So I'll do npm install Selenium-Webdriver and I'm gonna have that installed. Okay, so you can see it was added here as a dependency. So now the next thing we're going to do is install Mocha. It's also going to be added there as a dependency. So let's do this. All right, so now we have Mocha and we have Selenium WebDriver. So now we want to create our test script. So I'm just going to call it test.js. Click enter. So what you want to do is to declare your variables and also require the packages that you just installed now. So just for time's sake, I'm also going to copy like a very simple command and just paste here, or a simple script, sorry, that I have created, and then we'll just go through it. Okay. So basically, this script that you're seeing here, this JavaScript that is being written, is basically saying that, we're declaring a function called web test, and the web driver that we're going to use is Chrome. So here you see Chrome is being declared, and then this URL is the URL of the website that I'm testing, happycloudsolutions.com. And then this line says, it declares the title because what we want to check for at this moment is to check for the title, okay? And we're saying that this is what we expect the title to be. Happy Cloud Solutions hyphen IT Training Hub, Happy Cloud Solutions. So this is what is expected. And so we're saying that it should also log in our console the actual result that is being generated. All right. So this part here is basically saying that After it is done testing, like after we've run the test, it should immediately close the browser or the window. Something else that I missed was like this window maximize. This is trying to say that the window that is going to pop up, all right, when it pops up, it should maximize and fill the screen. And you're going to see that shortly. First of all, I'm just going to save this and run mpx mocha test.js and click enter. So you see, it comes up, it closes. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this, delete, Ctrl S. So we'll do that again. And you see that this time it's not going to, the window is not going to close. It's going to stay and maximize. All right, you see? All right. So now that worked. But because you don't want to leave different windows open, you would always want to leave that command here so that it quits after the operation. So now that we've done that, let's do one more test, one more, and then we would conclude. So let's use the driver.get current URL command. So I'm going to check for URL. Okay, and I'll say driver dot get current URL. Okay, console log. What I want is just gonna do current URL. Okay, plus URL. So now when that is done, I want it to navigate to the contact page of the website. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this link, Ctrl C, and contact. Okay, so now we save again and we run mpx mocha test again, and then it's coming up. You see, it ran this and then it navigated to the page, but you didn't get to see it well because of this command. So let's delete this for now. Let's delete that and run it again. Okay, and then it navigates to the contact page. Right, I deleted the wrong thing, did I? Okay, let's do this again. So now it navigates to the contact page just as the command stated, all right? And then it maximizes and stays on the screen. So I'm just going to put back the quit command because it's important that it's there because you don't want to leave plenty windows open. So yeah, this is basically how to, run your tests on Node project with Selenium. So I hope you were able to understand the whole process. And if you have any question, you can always leave a comment on this video. To learn more about using DevOps tools like the one that we just used today, that's Selenium, or even to learn more DevOps tools like using things like Maven, Gradle, Docker, Jenkins, you can always reach out to us via the contact us form on our website or send us an email at info@happycloudsolutions.com and we will be more than ready to respond to you. We are very fast at responding to messages, comments on the YouTube channel. So kindly engage, kindly follow, kindly subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.